Today, we have got some exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, and we have got the inside scoop on its potential features. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. Now let's get started. There's been a lot of buzz about the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G hitting the market soon. Rumors are circulating, and some believe it might drop as early as next week. But you know how it goes. Samsung has not spilled the beans just yet. However, things took an interesting turn when a Russian YouTuber managed to get their hands on the phone and put together a detailed review. So without further ado, here's the first real hands-on look at the Galaxy A55 5G. The Galaxy A55 follows the design language we've come to expect from Samsung, boasting a sleek glass back. Flip it over, and you're greeted by a spacious 6.64-inch screen that refreshes at a hopping 120 times per second, using a multi-type screen. There's a subtle hole in the display to house the front camera. Notably, the Galaxy A55 5G is reported to feature Vision Booster and HDR10 Plus support, enhancing the overall visual experience. And don't forget the key island on the right edge, home to your power and volume buttons. Now, let's talk power. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 5G is fueled by the Exynos 1480 octa-core processor, flaunting Samsung's Click's 530 graphics on the RDNA 2 architecture. Benchmark scores from the review video showcase impressive figures, including a Geekbench 6 single-core score of 1161, multi-core score of 3398, and a 3D Mark score of 739193. Sustained performance tests reveal stable temperature readings, and the Exynos 530 GPU seems to be a significant leap forward from the previous generation Mali G68. Shifting focus to the camera setup, the Galaxy A55 5G boasts a 32-megapixel front camera and a powerful triple-lens array on the back, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. Software-wise, it's anticipated to run on Android 14 and One UI 6.1, offering configurations with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Powering this beast is a robust 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging. Security features include Face Unlock and an in-display fingerprint scanner, ensuring your data stays safe and accessible at your fingertips. Now, although Samsung is yet to officially announce the release, this review video gives us a tantalizing glimpse into what the Galaxy A55 5G has to offer. It's crucial to await confirmation from Samsung before drawing final conclusions. Check out the detailed review in Russian through the link in the description box. To sum it up, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G marks a significant leap in Samsung's mid-range lineup. With a potent Exynos 1480 chipset, improved graphics, and overall system speed, it promises an enhanced user experience. Early benchmarks indicate a 22% boost in CPU performance and a 31% increase in GPU power, making it a compelling choice for gaming and multimedia enthusiasts. Are you excited about the Galaxy A55 5G? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. As always, stay tuned for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.